Okay, we're gonna do this quiz here. This is gonna be quiz one, structures and properties of matter. Okay, and what you're gonna do is, I'm gonna read the questions, and you're gonna mark the letter of the word that goes in this space here. Okay, we're gonna start off with the first question here. And it's protons and neutrons are found, or can be found where? Protons and neutrons can be found where? Can they be found in the nucleus or the outer shell? So you're going to choose J or I. Protons and neutrons can be found here. Can they be found in the nucleus or the outer shell? J or I? I'll give you a minute or two. If you're at home, you can pause the video. You can go back to your slides that you have. There's also a study guide that you can use as well. You can pause between each question. You can use those. You can go back to the presentation of your slides, or you can go back to your study guide and look. Okay, I'm going to go to number 2 in here now. Electrons can be found here. Can the electrons be found in the outer shell or the nucleus? Where can the electrons be found? The outer shell or the nucleus? Again, pause the video, look in your slides, look in the study guide. Okay, let's go to number 3 here. Anything in the universe that has mass and takes up space, is that matter or is that mass? Anything in the universe that has mass and takes up space, is that matter or is that mass? E or F? Mark your answer. Okay. Okay, let's look at number 4 here. The measure of how much space an object takes up, is that volume or is that weight? The measure of how much space an object takes up, is that volume, G, or is that A, weight? Pause the video if you need to at home. Come back and I'll read the next question for you. Okay, so I'm going to go to number 5 now. The smallest example of a pure substance, is that an atom or is that an electron? Okay, again, the smallest example of a pure substance, is that an atom or is that an electron? B or H? Mark your answer with the letter. Okay. Okay, so let's go to the next one here. Number 6, a positively charged particle. Is that a neutron or is that a proton? A positively charged particle. Okay, number 6, a positively charged particle. Okay, let's go to number 7 here. Number 7, the pull of gravity affects this measurement. Does it affect A, weight, or does it affect F, mass? The pull of gravity affects this measurement. Does that weight or is that mass? A or F? Again, you can pause this video, go back, look at the presentation, or look at your study guide. I'm going to move on here. A particle that has no charge. Is that a neutron or a proton? C or D? Mark your answer. Okay. Okay, let's look at number 9 here. The amount of stuff in an object. the amount of stuff in an object. Is that mass or is it matter? F or E? The amount of stuff in an object, is that mass, F, or is that E, matter? Okay. Number 10. A negatively charged particle. Is that an electron or is that a proton? A negatively charged particle. Is that an electron, H, or D, a proton? Okay, so when you get finished with the quiz, you've done it in Kami, you've marked your answers, and at the top right, I don't have it on this, I'm showing this in Word, but at the top right of your Kami document, you should see something that says turn in. Okay, just click it, turn in, and it should come to Mr. Hughes.